So this particular one is a 20-volt battery scarifier, and it's the HY2196 model. One of the accessories bags has two of these hand wheels in. So what we're going to do is take one of the lower handles, that's this part. You'll see a part on the molding here, and we'll put that pretty much in the middle of those three grooves so that we get both sides lined up exactly the same, and I'll just nip that hand wheel into position. So in the accessories bag again, you'll see four of these brackets. They're all identical, doesn't matter which one you use. Take our central handle, I've already done the other side, and I'll place the bolt in there, and you'll see a little square head on the bolt, and there's a square hole in the tube which it fits into. So with the handle swinging free here, this is fairly simple. Little detail, you'll see the half round scallop in the plastic washer. That's got to face the handle, and it'll line up, picking up the half round of the handle. And then finally, you'll see the outer handle with the barrel nut. So we just need to screw that back on, and I'll just put it there loosely. I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll adjust it into position. Got the two cam locks locked off and adjusted. One thing of note, the handle has to be facing upwards, so I'll just pop it into its normal position. I have seen people put these handles on upside down, but this is the way it goes. Collection bag, a little bit of assembly needed for this. I'll bring you in and show you how it's done. So you'll notice these plastic extrusions on the outside of the netting here, and they simply click over the edge of the bag. You get the picture? Okay, so I work my way around, put the 5 clips in position. That's the assembly of the grass bag or collection bag. It's very simple. So to fit the batteries, with the connector side facing outwards, that's one, clicked in position. That's the second one. And to activate the machine, push the key in, close the lid, that's fitting the batteries. This having an aerator and a scarifier, this would be the scarifier, and you'll see it with the spring tines. And in the machine at the present, and normally when it's delivered to you, these are the aerating blades. So I'll show you how to change them over. I'll undo it anti-clockwise. Probably be able to just loosen it off and undo it with my fingers. I lift up the bearing, pull it out from the other end. You can see the square hole. So with the aerator removed, you can see the square hole in the end. I'll line it up. Now I need to rotate it till it slides on. Put the bolt back in, tighten it down. I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, thanks for watching.